Ba? May lalagyan.
So ito mga friends, tapos na tayo mag-check-in sa electronic machine. Yan, nakapag-kuha natin ng print out dito sa check-in baggage natin. After this, punta na dito sa counter para doon sa seat numbering, assigned seat na sa plane. Check-in na rin yung luggage natin, yung cargo natin. So yan.
Hindi niya alam, nawala na ako ng ipakit na kanya.
Hey, let's go!
Pwede yan yung tao.
Kaway, kaway!
Pila. O, alam nyo na. Sa akin. Wala.
Oh, ginigil mo na lang.
Punta na tayo ng immigration.
Ano channel ba yan? FC Rai?
Channel 2.
Hey! Principal! Ang gala natin dito sa likod. Hey! Hi!
Nahirapan na yung isa. Punta na, papasok na kami ng immigration. Ano? May grupo yon. Dalian mo, may grupo yun. Siyempre, pag titignan, sabay-sabay tayo. Hindi pwedeng walay. Bebe.
Say hi to Daddy! Panay naman siya.
Bebe.
Panay hi.
Ma, tayo nyo ako. Sabay tayo. Nalito yung passport mo. Ayan, Joan.
Joe!
Dali.
Akala mo, makakatidato si David.
So ayan mga friends. Abangan ang susunod nating update pag nakapasok na tayo sa IO, Immigration Officer, no? Punta na daw sa boarding area.
Hindi pa nagkakamot.
Right?
Ilang buhay.
Okay, let's go. Ay, wait na. Wala pa sila. Stop muna, stop. Pasok na kami, boarding na kami. Pasok na ng plano. Let's go.
Ito!
Oh. Watch your... Welcome to Hong Kong.
Yay! Thank you, Lord!
Ano ba yan, Kid? Bangga-bangga na kin, ha?
Come on! Wow! Welcome to...
Board na kami. Flight 5J114. Bound to Hong Kong. Then, just wait for your turn. Just wait for your turn.
Galit? Galit, galit? Oh, it's good.
Okay lang po ba?
Yung ano?
Okay lang po ba?
Baka maano kasi sir, pwede dalhin na lang yung pagkain.
Pwede dali sa loob?
Yes po. Ay, dali sa lang namin. Ha?
39.
Once again, we request everyone to kindly safeguard all loose items, especially hard objects, such as flasks, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in your luggage. In line with this, please take off and secure your carry-on luggage and remove it in the bins to prevent items from falling off. Thank you.
Nasaan si Ken?
Muli po, pinakikiusapan po lamang namin ang lahat na ilagay sa loob ng inyong mga dala-dalahan.
To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be...
Landing na kami guys.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Hong Kong International Airport. Local time now is 13 minutes past the hour of 8 in the evening, and there is no time difference between Manila and Hong Kong. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight crew, Captain Domingo with First Officer Flores, together with the rest of your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all aboard, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.